welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie. Today I have a very exciting video. I'm going to be unstuffing my 52-week challenge. Now, I have been doing it a little bit different than the traditional way. So I have this savings challenge box that I've been using all year. I do monthly savings challenge videos, and I have this whole section of these colorful envelopes, which I should just pull on out. So these are all the envelopes I've used, and how I did it this year is I rolled a dice for each envelope. So you get, 1 through 6 on the dice, so normal dice. And then I multiplied that number by $5. So in every envelope, there's $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, or $30. So anywhere between $30 and $5 in each envelope. And that was a really fun way to make it kind of randomized. So I don't know what the total is going to be. And that's kind of part of the fun. So I've really enjoyed doing it this way. I'm definitely going to do this again next year, but I'm excited to unstuff this. So we're going to unstuff it, sort it, and then count it, of course. And then I'm going to figure out kind of how I want to allocate this for next year. My goal with this money is to use it for self-care. So I have a few ideas, but it kind of depends on how much there is in here. So let me go ahead and get started with unstuffing the envelopes and getting a pile of cash, and then we will, go from there. But look at all of these. I'm so excited. And I did different colors for each month just to make it kind of, fun. So I'm going to roll up my sleeves a little bit, and let's get started. Okay, last one. Look at all this. This is so awesome and great. I'm excited to give it a count. So first I'm going to kind of get everything straightened up. We'll sort it into the different denominations, and then I will count it. And all of these envelopes I'm going to just set aside. I will be able to reuse them. They've held up well. I just got these off of Amazon, and they were great because I could just fold the money in half. I didn't have to do like quarters or whatever. So I'm just going to stick those off to the side of my desk here, and let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so here is all the money. How exciting. And I'm really glad I did it with 5s, as the smallest, because I don't have to deal with a lot of 1s now, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and we'll start sorting this by denomination, and then we will do our count. I like to count by denomination. So here we go. Alrighty, so here are the stacks, nice and thick. So I have a little sheet here we're going to use to count by denomination. Okay, so I like to start with the low numbers and then work our way up. So we'll start with the 5s, and I am going to double count just to make sure I get everything right. but here's the 5. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 175. I'm just going to double count that really quick to be sure. Yep, I got the same number, 175. That's awesome. So 175 in 5s. Next we have 10s. So for 10s, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So let's just double check. Add a 0 at the end, 170 for 10s. Okay, and then the 20s, and there's a good amount in here. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80. So I know that the 80 is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 480 in 20s. All right, I'm gonna grab my calculator and add this up. So we have 175 plus 170 plus 480, $825. That is so awesome. I'm happy, I'm really, really happy with that actually. So on to self-care. I'm gonna grab a different marker here. So I already have in my notes kind of what things cost. So the kind of things that I would like to use this money for in 2024 is all self-care and really like appointments like massage, hair appointment, nails maybe, things like that. So I did kind of do my research to figure out what things would cost. So my hair with highlights and a cut is $175. My haircut on its own without highlights is $35. A 75-minute massage, and this is with tip and tax and all that included, would be $170. A 60-minute facial is $130, and then nails is about $90. My place does the same for manicure, pedicure. So that is what we're looking at. So from this list, I definitely want to do my hair before my wedding. So I definitely want $175. And I'd also like to get like my nails done before the wedding. I'll probably do gel nails for my fingers, but I like to get a pedicure. So I think I'm going to pull out $175 and then $90 right off the bat. And then we'll kind of go from there. And so for hair, highlight, and cut would be $175. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, and 5. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 75. Okay. 175 here. So I'm going to put this down. And stick that off to the side. So the next for nails be 90. So we have, how do I want to do this? Maybe I'll use some 5s too. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. I just don't want to get stuck with a bunch of 5s. Well, we can start there. We can always rearrange. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90 for a pedicure. Cool. All right. So then on here, we've already got this checked off. We've got one of these. Maybe I'll figure out a massage and a facial next. So I will need some more scratch paper. That would be $170. So we'll do 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Just do it like that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. 170 for a massage. And then we'll do a facial as well. Okay, so 130, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. Let me just do, well, that's fine. And then we can do 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 130 there. Let's see here. I've got a massage done, facial done. Let's just pull that haircut out, the 35. 10, 50, or 10, 20, 35. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Haircut. Let's see what we have left. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 120, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 225 remaining. The 225, if I did another massage, I would have 55 left. If I did a facial, I would have 95 left. Okay, let me pull out for a facial, and then I'm going to have leftover, which is fine. So I need 130. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 130 here for another facial. So I should have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. $95 left. Keep this to the side. I can still add to this next year. You know, this is all a jump start, obviously, to doing self-care treatments and all that stuff. So what did I say this was? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay, so this is 95. And that's going to go towards, I would really like to have another massage. So I would need, it's 170 minus 95. I would need $75 more, which is fine. I can save that up and add to it. And then I would have another massage put together. So let me pull everything over so we can see what we have. So we've got 2 facials saved for. We've got my hair highlight and cut, as well as just another haircut, 1 pedicure, and 1 massage. So I'd really like to do a second massage, because then I could do like either a facial or massage every quarter. That would be really, really nice. And then I do my hair twice a year. So in the spring, I get highlights and a cut, and in the fall, I just get the haircut. And then I'd like to do a pedicure before the wedding. So there's that. So $95 to go towards the next goal, which probably will be the massage. And it's great that I have these 10s and 5s, because I'll probably use it to break 20s that I get out of the ATM for saving challenges next year. So I wouldn't be surprised if these start to get swapped. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. I mean, at the end of the day, this is already like saved and ready to go. And this is something that I really struggle with, kind of giving myself permission to spend money on appointments like this. So going into the new year saying this is already saved, the money's here, go use it, is really, really cool. I did recently just get a savings kind of cash funder thing, whatever we call these. So I kind of want to put the different piles into these different pouches probably. Okay, so these are the ones, yeah, that I have, and I'm going to do the zipper one. So let's start popping these in. So maybe we'll do our facial first. Oh, this is so cool to have these done. I'm really, really, really pleased. Okay, and then the second facial here. Because then I can just grab the money when I want it. And then we've got that pedicure. And then we have the hair. Let's get that in here. Haircut. And then we have the massage. Oops, it was already open. And then this one is kind of the one that's currently in progress, and I can add more to it to get that finished for another massage or something. So that's pretty cool. Let me see how I want to organize these. Massage, pedicure, hair, facials are together. I'm gonna put massage at the end. And then do hair, nails. There, that'll be the order we go in. So let me get this binder out. Okay, so we're gonna stick these at the back. Yeah, how exciting. I'm so over the moon about this. Okay, so then we have the $95 that was kind of left over that I'll be using towards massage once I can save that other $75. Got my hair, then the haircut, pedicure, facial, and a massage. Oh, that's so awesome. I'm so happy. So that is it for the 52-week savings challenge. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I certainly did. This has been, a whole year coming. And I absolutely would recommend, I found that it was fun to do the dice where you didn't know what you were going to get, but it also wasn't so extreme. The most that would go in one envelope was 30, the least would be 5, and then kind of anywhere in between. And that was a manageable amount for me anyway in my budget. So hope you enjoyed. I definitely will be doing more savings challenges in the new year. So if that's your jam, consider subscribing and coming along for the journey. But I hope you are doing well, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Take care. Bye.